Morning everyone. I thought I would do our briefing this morning by video, particularly after last night's announcement. I'm sure a lot of you are very concerned, very worried, and in very different positions this morning than you thought you were going to be in. So just thought I'd give you an update on what we know and where we're at. The job retention scheme, still waiting on details of this, but our understanding is that the money will be refunded to employers by the end of April. You will need to still pay your staff 80% of their salaries, and that will be refunded back to you. At this point, the portal isn't open for us to record who has been furloughed, so you need to keep very accurate records of the date you furloughed them and the conversations that you've had. We would just remind you that employment law still applies. This needs to be a conversation with your staff. Talk to them about it, explain your rationale and gain their consent to what you're doing. Again, any questions or support on this, please let us know and we're here to support you. As you all know, the businesses that don't pay business rates that have business premises, you will qualify for a £10,000 grant. There is no need for you to apply for this. It will be dealt with automatically. Some point in April, the local authority will contact you to get your bank details and arrange this payment. The same if you're in the hospitality industry or retail and your rates are over 15,000 but less than 51, you will receive a £25,000 grant, and this will be dealt with in exactly the same way. All those who are registered for business rates, whether you get business rate relief or not, the local authority know the type of business that is registered in those premises. So if you're registered as hospitality or retail, they will know to pay the higher grant. With regard to deferring taxes, the VAT, non-payment of VAT at the moment is an automatic thing. You do not need to apply or contact HMRC regarding time to pay. I would, however, suggest that you do contact cancel your direct debit if you have one in place, just to be on the safe side. The same with the self-assessment payments that were due in July. They're now to be paid in January next year, along with any payment that was due in January next year. Again, that is automatic. You do not need to contact HMRC. If you need to defer payments of corporation tax or PAYE, then you do need to contact HMRC to arrange a time to pay arrangement, and they will agree to it. Business loan interruption scheme. We are still waiting on the details. It was supposed to be out yesterday. I have calls out to some of the providers who are going to contact me as soon as we have the details of this. Anybody that's interested in the loan scheme, if you can send me an email and let me know, as soon as we get the details, I will get these out to you. As a business, we are still open in terms of we're still working. Our premises are closed. We're working from home. The guys are answering the phones. So if you do call us, they will take a message and get a message across to us as soon as we can. So we'll return those calls as soon as we're able. We're responding to emails as quickly as we can. All I would ask is that you bear with us. We're working hard to get everybody's zeros up to date to make sure that the information there is accurate. So we will still be completing bookkeeping where we do for those clients. If we don't do your bookkeeping, but you want to get your zero up to date, then let us know. We can do a check of it to make sure it's accurate, so that we can run off management accounts for you to apply for loans. So anything we can do to support you, then please do let us know. We are here. We're at the end of the phone. I know it's an incredibly difficult time. Everybody feels overwhelmed, and I think probably a bit shell-shocked from last night's announcement, even though it was probably expected. But we're here to help and support you, and we'll be here obviously throughout this and help you once this is all over to get your businesses off the ground again. So all I can say to you all is stay safe. Hope you spend some time with your families. Keep them safe too, and we will speak to you soon.